Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got a great shave for you this Monday. We are going to use Talbot shaving, Maol Grooming, I believe. Is it Maol? Yeah, Maol, however you want to say it. Collaboration, Cades Cove. Really great scent. Honeysuckle, I think sagegrass, blackberry, some other things, but these are the notes I tend to pick out most. A good bit on the floral side, but it's really great. Cades Cove is an area in eastern Tennessee, Appalachian Mountains, Smoky Mountains. Pretty cool area. Has all the original like settlement homes, log cabins, stuff like that. And you can hike a mile, 3 miles, however far it is, to go and look around and see them and stuff. So it's pretty awesome. So we're going to use that today. And we are using the Teton Shaves, one of the Zen shaving brushes, I think they're called. He did have a drop recently, so there will be a link in the description below for anybody that's interested. There we go. Put it on, maybe a little pasty. I don't know. Seems pretty good, right, guys? I don't know why, when I put it on the neck, it just always feels a little pasty. Unless it's like super hydrated. I don't know why, it just does. There we go, good stuff. And today we are using a razor I haven't used in a very long time. We are using the Hawk V.3. I have the halo handle for it, but I don't like it. So we put the balm tip from the Ascension. I'll link the Ascension below, and I'll link the V3. So, you know, if you're interested in either. Oh, we're using a brand new Feather Professional Super. So, like I said, I haven't used this razor in a very long time. Probably only used it a handful of times. Generally, if I use single edge, I use my Schick L1 or my Schick L1 clone, or I use the Supply. Feels a little rough through here, but that's where we have those bumps. So I imagine it would kind of feel rough going over bumps, right? Lather dried out a little on my face. We might add a little more water for the second pass. It's a good little feel though. I mean, all in all, it feels good. It felt rough right through here. But like I said, I've got bumps through there. And I imagine that could be why it felt a little rough and bumpy. And add another little tipful of water, right? Need to get to answering some YouTube comments from the last video I posted. I am about to work on a video that Latherhog talked me, he didn't talk me into it, he just kind of mentioned it in passing. And I just thought about it and thought about it and thought about it. And I was like, you know what, I can do that video. We'll see how it goes. Try to put some production into it. It'll take a little while to come up with, but it is definitely not a video I've ever made before. And y'all will know as soon as it posts. They'll be like, oh, this must be what he's talking about. So, and CDB, God bless his soul, is busy as can be. And he won't get to see it because he's so busy that I won't have to catch any crap for making this video. All right. Very nice. That's really comfortable right there, guys. Y'all remember last shave I took down what? 6-7 days worth of growth. It's actually 7. I don't think I said 7 in the video, but I ended up counting. We're not going to do that. It did not like that at all. Very few razors can I get away with that. This is not one of those. It did not like it at all. Didn't feel good. Nice. More than comfortable of a shave. I know I shouldn't stretch and go that way, but we did. Nice. That's a really good feel, guys. V3, very inexpensive option in comparison to the Vector. So think about that. Vector's like $200+. I think this, you know, no more than 80 depending on the handle you get. And you know, this is not a stock handle, this is a PAA handle. So we're gonna rinse up, guys, and we'll be right back. And we're back, guys. Really nice shave, cleaned up nicely. I'll put on the splash. I think Maol does have alcohol. Yep, it's first on the list, but it doesn't burn, so good for them. It's hard to believe that it's first on the list, because first means that's what there's most of in this splash is alcohol, supposedly, and it doesn't burn. So okay, little tingle right down in here, but I got bumps. Oh, that scent is so much better in the splash. If this is still available anywhere, I'll do my research and I'll put it up in the description, links for any of it. But really a nice scent. Talbot makes a really nice soap. Maol makes one of the best splashes on the market, in my opinion, or at least used to. I still say they're way up there in their splash. But man, oh, that's a wonderful scent, guys. Teton Shaves brush, and you know, these are like the Trafalgar knots that he puts in here. Really nice synthetic. The way this one is, and it's set and everything, it has a little bit more backbone, but really enjoy it. It's not set too low or anything. I'm happy with the way Teton sets his synthetic knots. You don't hear me say that about many artisans, but I like Tetons. The V3, like I said, guys, cheaper option. Depending what your budget is. It's Razorock, man. Y'all may want to start looking at Razorock for soaps and splashes too, man. They're super affordable. Other people raising their prices. You may want to go to the people that still keep the prices low. Still want to make it affordable for every man, every person, every lady, whoever it may be. And we did use the Feather Super blades, so really nice. I definitely did not want to use the soft guard or whatever. I just don't feel like that would have been a good shave. I think in the V2, at least, they specifically tell you not to use the soft guards. So, alright guys, if y'all have made it this far, thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Y'all have a good night, good day, whatever it may be while watching this, and hopefully I'll see you by the end of the week.